In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import-export Figma files locally. By the end, you will know exactly how to save a Figma file to your computer as a .fig, and how to bring a .fig back into Figma, all without losing your place or getting confused by menus. Let's start with exporting, which simply means saving a local copy of your Figma file. First, open the Figma file you want to export so it's active on your screen. Next, look to the very top left and click the Figma icon to open the main menu. From there, go to File, then choose Save Local Copy. Figma will package up the entire file and download a Fig file to your computer. That .fig file is a Figma-specific archive that preserves your pages, components, styles, and layout, all the structure you see in the editor. So it's different from exporting images or PDFs. If your file is large, give Figma a moment to complete the download. The file name will usually match your current Figma file name and it will land in your default downloads folder unless you set a different location in your browser or system settings. A quick tip: make sure you have edit or view access to the file you are trying to save. Otherwise, you may not see the option. Also keep in mind that while the design content is preserved, version history and comments are not part of a .fig file. If you plan to re-import later, consider labeling your local copies clearly with dates, so you know which is the latest. Now, let's import a .fig back into Figma. Start on the Figma home screen, also known as the file browser. On the right side, you will see an import button. Click it. Choose Import from Computer, then select your .fig file. Figma will upload and convert it into a new file you can open and edit. As an alternative, you can simply drag and drop the .fig file from your computer straight into the file browser area, and Figma will import it the same way. After import, you will see the file appear in your current space, often in drafts. If you are in your personal area, you can rename it, move it to a project, and continue working. Remember, imported files do not include the original version history or any comments, so you are starting fresh from the content at the time it was saved. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.